Okay, next question here is from Eric, and Eric wants to know, do you believe there's any room for micro-budget films under $500,000 in today's marketplace? And if so, who buys and which platform would you recommend for the best audience viewership?
Well, if you're talking about companies that produce them, Paramount has a micro budget division. Blumhouse does micro budget. Obviously, they do mostly horror, but they're moving into non-horror. There's a bunch of companies out there doing micro budgets right now, and getting theatrical with them. As far as self-distributing on your own, again, it just depends on how big the budget is and what the appeal is, what the genre is. There are so many factors. If you're just looking for straight distribution, you may want to go to someplace like Gravitas. If it's a really, really small budget, you might want to look at something like Distributor. These aggregators, distributors, they'll go to different platforms to try to get your film on there. But if you're talking about doing it in the producing stage where you're just looking to get something done, somebody might be interested in it. There are a bunch of production companies out there that are working in that space and that do have theatrical deals, even if they're on a very small level, although Blumhouse is big, obviously can get a bigger deal than that. But again, it's doing your research. There's a bunch of them. Go out there and do the research and find them. And a lot of them got announced in the last 6 months. Again, this is the benefit of reading the trades. Again, when something works, there are a bunch of other companies coming in. The independent film movement, when Miramax blew up in the mid-90s, everybody came in with an independent division. When it crashed, everybody got out of the independent division. Micro budgets started going. Now people have micro budget divisions. So everybody comes into the pool. Everybody, A24 is doing well. Everybody wants to be the next A24. It's just the way of the business. So that's why you have to treat being on top of what's happening in the business like a job as well.